his little crook right there. So let's go about here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. A little different today. We're going back to cutting firewood, but first what we're going to do is we're going to cut these in half, get these staged on this up at the sawmill because I don't have any lumber staged or log staged. And so I'm going to cut these at 8'6". They're 17 foot long, somewhere around there, right within a plus or minus inch. This is for a customer. So we're going to get these cut up so we can handle them too. And he doesn't need 17 foot long lumber. So I think we're going to take 3 of these out of here today, get those staged. And then we're going to cut a basket of firewood. And then I got to finish my son's countertop. I've been building him. We got quite a bit. I've got a busy day. How does this happen when you're retired? You know, so many of us always say, looking forward to the free time of retirement. Boy, we're a little bit more busier. Oh, you know what? I never hit record, did I? So let's get these cut up and go from there. Red oak. You can tell by the bark. This is really corrugated. This is black. This is red. Not as deep. I've left this thing out in the weather for about the last 2 months. So we got some surface rust on it. It's going to blow right off and it'll be clean when we're done. I just oiled everything up. We're ready to go. We got to cut these logs up, buck them up. We're going to fill this basket today. If you don't know anything about these SuperSplit kinetic splitters, I'm never going back to a hydraulic unless it's a Wolf Ridge or an Easton made or something big like that pushes out several. This thing's got about a 2.5 to 3 second cycle time, and it really moves, and it will handle any of this oak with no problems. You know, stringy stuff always gives everybody a problem, no matter what splitter. Oh, shut this, Jerry. So being left out in the weather, we'll see if there's any water in the gas and so forth. But let's get these logs cut, and then we'll get this going. This bucking table, the slots are 20 inches. I can get through with 16, but I have that outdoor boiler. So that's what you cut them to 20 inches. This is 24. Sometimes they get a little big.
SuperSplit is the way to go. I really like it. We're going to get this basket put away with the other baskets. That's it for this one. And I'm going to go finish that countertop for my son. And I got to run into town. All right, let's get this. right, that's that out here. It's getting hot. I think it's supposed to get 90 today again and high humidity. But it's not bad. I think it's about noon. It's starting to warm up. I like it though.